Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today let's delve into keylogger concept. A keylogger or keystroke logger or a keyboard capturing is a form of malware or hardware that keeps track of and records your keystrokes as you type. It takes the information and sends it to a hacker using a command and control server. The hacker then analyzes the keystrokes to locate usernames and passwords and uses them to hack into otherwise secure systems. Keyloggers are of two types. 1. Software keylogger. 2. Hardware keylogger. A software keylogger is a form of malware that infects your device and, if programmed to do so, can spread to other devices the computer comes in contact with. While a hardware keylogger cannot spread from one device to another, like a software keylogger, it transmits information to the hacker or hacking organization, which they will then use to compromise your computer, network, or anything else that requires authentication to access. How to detect a keylogger? The simplest way to detect a keylogger is with browser extensions. 1. Safari. Choose a Preferences in the Safari menu and click on Extensions. 2. Chrome. Go to the address field and type chrome://extensions. 3. Opera. Choose Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. 4. Firefox. Enter About Add-ons in the address field. 5. Microsoft Edge. Select Extensions in your browser menu. 6. Internet Explorer. Go to the Tools menu and choose Manage Add-ons. How keyloggers attack your device. Keyloggers attack devices via spear phishing, drive-by downloads, and Trojan horses. In spear phishing, a seemingly legitimate email embeds a keylogger in your device once you click on its link. Drive-by downloading occurs when visiting a malicious website unknowingly installs a keylogger, which records and sends your keystrokes to the attacker. Trojan horses contain bundled keyloggers appearing as harmless software. When the user installs it, the malware records keystrokes and sends them back to the hacker. Problems caused by keyloggers. Keyloggers can violate both your device's security and cause additional issues. The impacts vary depending on the device. 1. Desktops and laptops. Unusual process activity. Keyloggers run processes that can burden your computer's processing power, leading to other applications not functioning properly. Typing delays. A keylogger can cause a delay in typing as it sits between the keyboard and monitor. Random application freezes. Applications might freeze unexpectedly due to the interference of a keylogger. 2. Mobile devices. Screen tapping capturing. Keyloggers can monitor the tapping or pressing on the screen, obtaining the data the user inputs. Wider threats. Beyond recording keystrokes, keyloggers on mobile devices can record screenshots, camera photos, printer activity, microphone inputs, and network traffic. They can even block access to specific websites. Keyloggers can be installed on your mobile device either through a hacker briefly accessing your device or by unintentionally clicking on a risky link or attachment. To protect devices from keylogging, utilize a high-quality antivirus or firewall. Other precautionary measures include using a password manager for complex auto-filled passwords, multi-factor authentication, and a virtual keyboard for keystrokes inaccessible to keyloggers. On Windows, press Windows key and A for the virtual keyboard. Regularly inspect hardware connections for potential keylogging hacker attacks, especially on public computers. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. And if you have any questions, shoot them in a comment below. Let's dive in. Until next time, explore the digital world with confidence. Stay tuned, signing off.